Join me as I dive into the wild world of time travel and try to uncover the secrets nobody talks about. Time travel, the ultimate adventure, the ultimate mystery. It's a concept that has captivated our imagination for centuries, inspiring countless movies, books, and TV shows. From Back to the Future to Doctor Who, time travel has become an integral part of our popular culture. But despite its widespread appeal, time travel remains a topic shrouded in confusion and misconception. One of the biggest misconceptions about time travel is the so-called grandfather paradox. You know, the idea that if you went back in time and killed your own grandfather before he had children, then that would mean you were never born. But if you were never born, then who killed your grandfather? It's a classic puzzle that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for decades. Another common misconception is that time travel is only possible if we can move faster than the speed of light. However, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation occurs when objects move at high speeds, not when they exceed the speed of light. It's a subtle but crucial distinction that many people get wrong. But what about the idea that time travel would create multiple parallel universes? You know, the concept that every time you make a decision, the universe splits into multiple parallel realities, each with a different outcome. It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually a theoretical concept that's being explored by physicists today. And then there's the misconception that time travel would allow us to change the past. But what if the past is fixed, and every event that has occurred is predetermined? That would mean that any attempt to change the past would be futile, and that our actions are predetermined from the start. Wormholes, black holes, and cosmic strings. These are just a few of the mind-bending concepts that scientists use to explain the theoretical possibilities of time travel. Take wormholes, for example. These are hypothetical tunnels through space-time that could connect two distant points in the universe, allowing for near-instant travel between them. It's a concept that sounds like science fiction, but it's actually based on some pretty solid mathematical principles. And then there's time dilation, which occurs when objects move at high speeds or are placed in strong gravitational fields. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation causes time to slow down for the moving object relative to a stationary observer. It's a phenomenon that has been observed in GPS satellites and high-speed particles, and it has profound implications for our understanding of space and time. But what about the concept of quantum entanglement, which allows particles to be connected across vast distances, potentially allowing for faster-than-light communication and even time travel? It's a phenomenon that's been observed in laboratory experiments, and it's being explored by scientists today. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of time travel is the concept of multiple timelines. Imagine a reality where every possibility exists in a separate universe, and every decision we make creates a new branch on the tree of reality. It's a concept that's both exhilarating and terrifying, and it raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. But what about the grandfather paradox? You know, the idea that if you went back in time and killed your own grandfather before he had children, then that would mean you were never born. But what if, instead of creating a paradox, your actions actually created a new timeline, one in which you were never born? It's a concept that's both mind-bending and fascinating, and it raises profound questions about the nature of time itself. In conclusion, time travel is a complex and mysterious topic that continues to fascinate and intrigue us. From wormholes to quantum entanglement, the theories and concepts surrounding time travel are both mind-bending and thought-provoking. Whether or not time travel is possible remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the mysteries of time travel will continue to inspire and captivate us for generations to come. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of time travel. If you have any thoughts or opinions on the subject, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more fascinating topics like this, be sure to check out my other videos.